Hey, Drop Tech fans. Welcome back to the channel.
Classic.
Today,
And while
we're
it doesn't
diving
break
into
new ground
Samsung's
with
latest
flashy
smart
hardware
wearable,
upgrades,
the brand
it
new
still brings a
Galaxy
lot to the
Watch
table.
8. It's
This
sleeker,
smartwatch is
more
all about
intelligent,
refinement,
and laser-focused
improving
on
the
health,
design,
but it also comes with a
upgrading,
higher price tag.
software, and adding
So,
health
what
tools that
makes
make
it
a real
special
difference
this
in
time around? Let's break it down. Let's start with the design, because right out of the box, you'll notice this is Samsung's thinnest smartwatch yet. According to hands-on impressions by Fenarina, the Galaxy Watch 8 has been trimmed down by 11% compared to the previous Watch 7. It now measures just 8.6 mm in thickness, making it feel featherlight and super comfy on the wrist. The Watch 8 comes in two sizes, a 40 mm and a 44 mm option. It rocks a new cushion-shaped frame inspired by the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which gives it that modern, sporty look with a futuristic vibe. But here's a heads up. If you have larger wrists, the 40 mm version might feel a bit too tiny. It's likely better suited for users with smaller wrists or for women. The 44 mm variant offers a more balanced fit and feels more natural after wearing it for a few minutes. A key design change this year is the brand new dynamic lug system. While it helps improve comfort and fit, there's a catch: older Galaxy Watch bands won't work with the Watch 8. So if you've collected a bunch of straps over the years, you won't be able to use them here. Definitely something to consider. Now let's talk display. Samsung has boosted the screen brightness by a huge 50%, bringing it to a peak of 3000 nits. That means even under direct sunlight, whether you're checking your messages or tracking a workout outdoors, everything on the screen should look crystal clear. Under the hood, the Galaxy Watch 8 is powered by the all-new Exynos W1000 chip, built using a 3 nm process. This new chip makes everything from swiping through menus to launching apps feel super smooth. According to early hands-on reports, One UI 8 runs flawlessly on this watch. It's quick, snappy, and very responsive. One of the most exciting additions this year is the integration of AI. Gemini AI is now baked right into the Galaxy Watch 8 and works seamlessly with Samsung apps. You can use voice commands to do things like start a workout, get recipe suggestions, ask for directions, and more, all hands-free. That's a big step forward in making smartwatches actually feel smart. When it comes to health and fitness, Samsung's clearly aiming high. The Galaxy Watch 8 introduces a first-ever antioxidant index, a feature never seen in any smartwatch before. With just a 5-second press of your thumb on the sensor, the watch can analyze your carotenoid levels, giving you real-time feedback on your body's antioxidant status. That's a unique feature for anyone wanting deeper insights into their overall health. But that's not all. Samsung's also added tools like vascular load monitoring, a smarter running coach that adapts your pace using dual-frequency GPS, and improved sleep tracking with bedtime guidance, sleep coaching, and even sleep apnea detection, which is now rolling out in Europe too. It's clear Samsung is going for a wellness-first approach this time. But remember, while these features are helpful, they're not replacements for professional medical advice. Use them as health tools, not as substitutes for your doctor. Now let's talk pricing, because yes, the Galaxy Watch 8 is more expensive than its predecessor. Here's a quick breakdown. Galaxy Watch 8 Bluetooth, 40 mm, $349. Galaxy Watch 8 Bluetooth, 44 mm, $379. Galaxy Watch 8 LTE, 40 mm, $399. Galaxy Watch 8 LTE, 44 mm, $429. Yep, prices have gone up, but Samsung is offering some pretty good trade-in deals. Depending on your old device, you could save up to $200. If you pre-order, you might also get Samsung credit as a bonus, which definitely helps soften the blow. The official release date is July 25th, launching alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, making this summer a big moment for Samsung's ecosystem. So, should you buy it? Well, the Galaxy Watch 8 isn't screaming fashion, but it's definitely one of the most well-rounded smartwatches Samsung has ever made. It's thin, lightweight, AI-powered, and packed with advanced health sensors. Sure, you'll pay a bit more, and your old watch bands won't fit, but if you want a device that looks great, feels modern, and keeps your health in check, the Watch 8 could be the perfect pick. Based on what we've seen so far, and early impressions from Fenarina, the Galaxy Watch 8 is shaping up to be one of the most advanced smartwatches Samsung has ever created. Let us know in the comments, are you planning to upgrade, or are you holding out for the Watch Ultra? And don't forget to smash that like button if you found this breakdown helpful. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.